Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can easily publish and unpublish videos in Pollo AI. In order to do so, here we are at Pollo.ai, and that's Pollo.ai. And first off, we want to make sure that we're logged in. Once we're logged in, then what we're looking for is down at the bottom left-hand corner where it says My Creations. You can go ahead and click on that. And this is going to bring you to your page where you have all of your video generations or your image generations. What we're looking for on this page here is if you look at either any of your generations here, then at the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see these three little dots, and you can see here where it says publish. However, when you go to publish, this is a premium feature only. So you need to upgrade to a premium plan in order to access it. And that is the restriction here with Pollo AI. So once you are set up with the subscription, then you can publish your content and you can unpublish it the exact same way. But again, you can only do that if you have an active subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.